Hello beautiful people, and what is up? Welcome back to another video. So in today's video I am going to show you guys how to get any phone on credit. If you have just relocated to the UK and you've been trying to get probably the iPhone 16 or Samsung S24 Ultra on credit, but you are being told you have no credit score or you have a very low credit score, and henceforth they decided not to give you that phone on credit, well, do not worry, because this video is for you. I'm going to take you through how you can go and where to go about on how to get that phone on credit. However, I have only known this method to work only for those in the United Kingdom. I am not sure if this will work for other countries as well, but I am sure that if you are living in the UK, this process is going to work for you. If you are not in the United Kingdom, you can also try this and hopefully it works for you as well. So grab a popcorn, sit back, and let's go through it. Before we move on, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also comment anything that you want me to work on and I will definitely do it for you guys. So what we need for this is you want to have a few hundreds of pounds, probably like 150, 160, or maximum of 200 pounds to begin with. So if you have this in your bank account, then you can go ahead and open your internet. So once you open up your internet, you want to load onto this browser, which is Phone House. You need to log on to that website. The first thing you need to do is to log onto this website on your browser, which is www.phonehouse.co.uk, and it would usually be, something like this, depending on the time of the month that you open it, I guess. So what you just need to do right now is to scroll through the orders, the plans that they have on the front page, and if what they have is not okay with you, you can just decide to search for whatever phone brand you are looking for, and it should pop up because they have like everything. So once you have done that, then you can now go ahead to just check what is written there, the amount that you'd be paying per month, the network provider, and everything. Then just go through the upfront payment as well, and it's usually a next day delivery, so you don't have to worry about delivery and it's fast. Then if you're satisfied, you just go ahead and click buy now, which I already did, and then proceed to checkout. So once you are about to check out, just go through everything in your basket again, just to make sure you are all good with it, just to make sure you're satisfied, because you don't want to be sorry later. Once everything is okay, then you just go to the next phase, which is what you are seeing on your screen right now. Then you just want to double check again to make sure that everything is all right. Actually, if you have a UK network provider, there's a way you can transfer the contract to that one, but it's not for all networks. I think it's just available for 3 and Vodafone. So that is it with this video, guys. Just make sure you go through everything and it's good with you, and all of the reviews have been good. So that is it, and I hope this will be helpful for you. Okay guys, so that is it with this video. I hope you are able to get that phone that you've always wanted on credit, and you pay back if you get a very good deal, because I got a very good deal. You need to be mindful of the deal that you get. I got a very good and affordable deal, and what I did was I sort of took the search for the price of my phone and searched for the price of the deal that I got, multiplied it by the total amount of time that I am to pay back, and I saw that yes, it was indeed a good deal. So you need to do this as well to make sure you are getting yourself a good deal. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment and share to your friends who may need this, and don't forget to subscribe. So until next time, bye.